getting ready to repaint my truck. I'm glad this happened before then, but I had plastic welded this area before, and then my nephew came over and I let him use the riding lawnmower to mow the yard because he wanted to earn some money. 17, he's got a driver's license. I gave him instructions on it. It's a ZTR mower. Anyway, he ended up hitting my truck right there. He hit the air conditioner and he hit his own car the worst. He hit his own car. He bashed in the passenger door pretty bad, so he didn't gain anything really. I gave him the money, but yeah, now his car has a big dent in it. So what I'm gonna do, like I said, I'm getting ready to paint, so I'm gonna repair that. I bought this hot staple kit. See that? Bought this hot staple kit from Harbor Freight. I used it once already to repair a plastic hinge in my dresser that had split. Worked out really nice. Anyway, those are the staples. Put them in there and heat them up. I'm gonna do some of that this morning. I'm gonna staple across here in several places, and I'm gonna staple along here, and then I'll put some filler in it and get ready to paint it. The first thing I'm gonna do, put a couple staples in the side here so that I can pull it with a pair of pliers out into alignment. Got a little adjustment here. You can adjust the heat. So I'm going to place one right about there. I'll crank the heat up. Just let it melt in. Let it cool off. Oops, didn't let it melt far enough, did I? Give me something to pull on with a pair of pliers. Oh, don't even need to with that. Alright, actually what I'm going to do now is just start closing up the gap. Or start stitching up the gap here. Let that melt in there good, about halfway through probably. Then I'll go back over this crack with a plastic weld. I could have used this thing when I was doing ATV Fender repairs and stuff. Pretty nice. Wasn't very expensive, about 120. Harbor Freight. This is what the doctor ordered. On this little one here, I'll put 3 on that little one. One at the bottom, one in the middle, and one near the top. Put you over here so you can see the action. One right here near the bottom. With its own pair of side cutters so you can trim the ends of the staples off. I'll put this one right in there in that corner. Yeah, I really like this thing. I liked it a lot when I repaired that dresser hinge. I'll feel a lot better about investing time and money into putting paint on once I get these staples in, because I'll be more confident in it staying together than I was before. How awesome is that? Alright, I'm going to do some preparation down there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to run down this area, and then across there, and then down that crack. I'm going to open it up a little bit with a Dremel. And I'll get back with you. Alright, so this is where we're at now. We have the staples installed. I went and ground out the damaged area so there was a nice groove for the plastic weld to go back into. And then I've gone back through and stapled across those areas, form metal stitches in there. Now I'm going to grind it all down, put some body putty on it, and prime it. I got it all stapled up and sanded down, plastic welded the cracks. See the staples right there. This one ran down through there. I'm going to put body putty on it and smooth it out. Alright, there it is with the putty on it. Let that harden up and I'll sand it smooth. Put some primer on it.